Faceless YouTube channels garner millions of views monthly. Nowadays, many AI channels are embarking on their journey on YouTube via Shorts. However, not all channels consistently receive views, and only a few manage to reach the million-view milestone. How can one achieve this? Hello, world! Welcome to Tidu. Nowadays, people start YouTube channels without proper planning. The true warrior always prefers to prepare for battle, and YouTube is one of the battlegrounds. There are numerous competitors in this space. So, if you want to start a new channel, first decide the type of channel. Are you an editor or designer? Choose the animation category. Are you a teacher? Opt for education. Many channel types are available on YouTube. Choose the right one for you. Now, create a stunning profile and channel cover for your channel. Use tools like Photoshop or Canva, or better yet, ask designers to design your thumbnails. Now, try trending topics for your channel. Enter keywords related to your content and search YouTube. You'll find numerous niche channels. Watch their content and try to create your own videos. Create high-quality videos using the many free editing tools available. Research topics, create a script, and finally, edit your videos. When it's time to upload, first set your channel features. Then, upload your video and go to keyword finder sites like Rapid Tags, Google Trends, or others. Find keywords for your video and craft catchy titles and descriptions. You can use ChatGPT for assistance. Now you have high-quality titles, keywords, and thumbnails for your video. Just wait for some time. YouTube will recommend your video to your niche audience. Day by day, you'll gain more views on your channel. Try this trick to grow your new channel. Thank you, and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.